Some 8 kilometers south of central Kathmandu, situated on a plateau across the Bagmati River, is a lonely little city called Lalitpur, the city of fine arts. This city, also known as Patan, once as independent Newar kingdom before the Shah dynasty took over, is best known for its finest traditional crafts and rich artistic heritage. The city of Lalitpur divided into 22 municipal wards and is inhabited by approx 2 lakh people. A substantial portion of its population is engaged in various trades, especially in traditional handicrafts and cottage industries. Lalitpur, in fact, is the only town in entire Nepal that has produced the highest number of most talented artists and finest craftsmen ever recorded in Nepalese art history. The most famous Newar artists and master craftsmen like Orniko, Abhay Raj, and Siddhi Raj were all born in Lalitpur. Lalitpur is said to have founded by King Viryadeva in 299 AD, has many old names such as Yala, Upagram, Lalitpatan, and Maningal. Several historical records plus many other legends also indicate that Patan is the oldest of all three cities of Kathmandu Valley. According to a very old Kirat chronicle edited by a noted research scholar Prem Bahadur Subba, Patan was founded by Kirati rulers long before the Lichavi rulers came into the political scene in Kathmandu Valley. According to him, the earliest known capital was most possibly shifted from Thankot to Patan after the Kirati king Yalambar came into power sometime around 2nd century AD. Now, I am in Asuk Stupa of Lagankhel. There are four ancient stupas in Patan believed to have been built in 250 BC by Emperor Ashoka at the four corners of Patan. Their stupas are situated in Puljok, Lagankhel, Ibahi on the way to Sankhamul, and Teta on the way to Lubu Sanagaon, respectively. These stupas are the evidence to the city's ancient religious importance. Thank you.